So if you do have a PostureFit lumbar system, included in your hardware pack will be the PostureFit screw. So on your PostureFit system, if your back has this bottom screw in it, you will need to remove this screw. Okay, so what we're doing here to properly attach the PostureFit lumbar system to the cable, so you can use the mechanism controls right here, is we need to insert this cable through the mesh and attach it to this lumbar system right here. A little tricky, but we can get it for you. Okay, for demonstration purposes, I did remove the Y bracket just to show you where the cable is going to poke through the mesh. So as you can see right down here, I'm pushing the end of the cable through a hole in the mesh. Just until it pops out, just like so. You can use a screwdriver or a pencil as well to make that hole. Okay, so from here we're just going to attach the plastic bracket up and over until it attaches like so. Okay, so what we need to do next is get this cable into the slot and down to the bottom of the Y bracket. Easiest way I found out is to have one hand back here, guiding it through the hole, push in the Y bracket, slide your finger down, and it should attach like so. So that's what we're looking for. We want the cable on the very bottom of the Y bracket, not towards the top. We're going to take our hardware screw and attach it here. And that will just tighten everything up. So another variation on the PostureFit cable is what you see here. This clip does not contain a long screw and just simply clips over top of the frame. So here we go. So we're still going to feed the cable through a spot into the mesh. And we'll just get it through there. Right, so now that I have the cable poking through the mesh, I'm just going to simply attach the clip to the bottom of the frame, like so, and tilt up, and it'll slide into place there. I'm going to go ahead and grab the cable through the mesh and install it into the PostureFit system itself. Okay, so now that we have the cable poking through the mesh, we need to insert it into the slot right here, and to do so we're going to apply pressure on the clip on the back and press it forward to allow that cable some slack. Line it up in the slot, push it in, and you may need someone else to help you with this, but pull that cable down just like so. Okay, so I'm going to step over to this side to make sure our PostureFit's working correctly. I'm going to grab the knob and give it some turns. And as you can see, the cable pulls tight. You can loosen it to allow less pressure. You're all set.